big reveal for my sister here. New tires on the lawnmower. The right side rear just was like multiple puncture wounds over the past couple of years, and I was tired of patching it. Look at those. Huh?
Those are very aggressive.
Yeah, those are actually ATV tires. Yeah.
It looks like you're gonna take the deck off and turn it into one of those like super hyped up lawnmowers that people drive like 40 miles an hour with.
Right? But so the ground is just a little bit wet, and I would never attempt what I'm about to do with the turf tires that came with it.
Oh, goodness.
We're gonna back up the hill.
Don't let your children watch this.
Oh. Going down the hill. I'm gonna stop. And this isn't very steep right here.
Yeah, right there.
But right there, I mean, that's steep, and it's just like no problem. I would never be able to do that with a turf tire. Let's find a steeper spot. Right here. It's muddy, too. Muddy, and it's at an angle. Oh, see it biting?
Yep.
There's no way with turf tires you'd be able to do that. Well, yeah, it's just crawling. Isn't that neat? I mean, I'm so easily entertained, but that is
He
awesome.
really is. And there it is. I'm glad no blood was shed. He might flip it, just having fun. Goodness. Okay.
And that's what you can do with some nice tires.
He forgot to say, have a good one.